Welcome to this important video. In this video, we are going to discuss how can we learn the Python in step-by-step method. For example, if you want to learn a Python and we want to choose it in hierarchical sequence, so this video will provide you a hierarchical method or step-by-step method in which you can learn or what path should you choose to learn the Python. So here is how can you learn it from basic to advanced. First of all, you need to learn the basics of Python. In basics, there is an important thing like syntax of Python. What how should you write the syntax of Python? And in second step, you can learn about variables, their data type, their different operations, and then you can move on to arrays, and then you can move on to flow control like loops and conditional and decisions. Then you can move on to methods and file handling. In file handling you can deal with exception handling as well. Then you can move on to object oriented programming part. And at the end, an important suggestion to you is to practice the programming as much as you can. Not only you will limit it your programming learning phase to these uh, categories as well, but at the end you will also use Python for different applications. For example, how can you use Python to develop a website or to develop a game? But before that application, you should be master in these all steps, and you should be expert in learning this, and in this way you will learn the Python step by step till end. Thank you so much. This was a short video just to guide the step by step method, that what will you cover or what can you cover to learn the Python from basic to advanced level, and how can you be an expert in Python.